Right, guys and girls, welcome back to another quick video. This one's on for about 1 minute and 20 seconds of me just cleaning up the garden. I'm just getting more bits and bobs done here, just trimming all this down, using some little garden sort of cutters just to cut the bushes here with the things. There is a lot of sting and nettles in there, so you have to be careful. And some of the roots as well are massive, and they're clinging onto the sort of like the wired fence here, so I'm just getting little bits and bobs done. And to the left hand side there is a lot there, bushes I have to cut down, and you end up on the next video, the third video, which I'll be doing today, but this one I'm doing at the moment. This is for the 21st of April 2019. It's just me cutting some more, and then I end up just trying to trim some of it down, because I'll tell you what, it's nasty as how it grows and it grows and it grows, and when it does it really fast. And I've got this pampas grass as well, which you can whistle with, which people will use as like sort of musical instruments, like whistling with. And I'll tell you what, that is rooting there. The roots are really nasty as hell. You dig those out, that's it. It's hard to do it. But anyway, guys and girls, cheers for watching. If you enjoyed the episode, do like, favourite, share, comment and subscribe.